Hey everyone, Nikki Sharp and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to take you through a recipe from my 5-day real food detox. This is a plan that has transformed the lives of hundreds of thousands of people, and why having this incredibly nourishing salad recipe can transform your life even if you eat it one time a week. Yes, only one time a week. So I'll share a few of my principles that I live and breathe by, as well as share to my audience. And I hope that you guys enjoy this little cooking demonstration and learning why this recipe from the 5-day detox can transform your life. As you can see, I have all my ingredients laid out here. And one thing that you'll notice is they are very bright in color. I'm going to explain why we focus on that, and then the dressing and all of the things that we're putting into it and how those are going to transform your health. Start with your can of black beans, organic and no salt if possible. You want to rinse and drain them until the water runs clear. So this will just take a minute, and when you're done, just put them to the side. We're gonna begin prepping all of the vegetables. So you're gonna peel your carrot and your beet. Just be careful, as the beet can stain your hands. Raw beetroot is incredibly good for your body though. I'm then going to shred the zucchini and the carrot. You can of course cut them however you like. I just like to do this because it adds a different texture and taste to your salad. So once we do that, we're gonna start layering up, and we're adding our washed spinach. Then we're gonna add everything that we've already done so far, so our carrot and our zucchini. From there, we're gonna chop our cucumber and add those to the salad. As you can see, the more things that we add, the more colorful, vibrant, and interesting the salad is looking. Now here's a little avocado hack for you. When you're trying to get the seed out, you can take your knife, and closest towards you, you're gonna hit down on the seed and twist it. It might take a few times to get it out. One of the reasons that we do avocado is because it's such a healthy fat for your body. The fats such as these, such as nuts and seeds, olive oils, these are going to keep your organs in your body healthy, functioning correctly, and they also help to keep you full. So for this recipe, we normally use 1/4 of an avocado. That's for the detox. If you're not doing the detox, you could use half an avocado or a whole one. Now it's time to add your black beans. If you're doing the detox, you're only gonna use 1/4 of a cup. Otherwise, you could use 1/2 of a cup. One thing that I always say is presentation is key when it comes to what you're eating. We eat with our eyes first, and so if you're just throwing things in a bowl, it's not as appetizing. We're going into the tomato now, which has lycopene, very good for your eyes. And look at how beautiful that is now. I'm actually going to add some pickled radishes. Now, anything that is pickled becomes incredibly good for your body because it's fermented. Last but not least, we're gonna add a little handful of cilantro on top. So one thing I want to point out here is you're seeing a variety of different colors. You're having greens from the spinach, from the cilantro, from the zucchini and cucumber. You're also having orange from the carrot. You have the pickled radish that was actually pickled with some beetroot juice. You have tomatoes, black beans, the beetroot, and avocado. The more colors you have on your plate, it means that you're getting more nutrients and phytonutrients into your body. If you've ever found yourself peeling ginger with a peeler, you see it doesn't always work very well. So instead, take a spoon, this can be a small one or a larger one, and facing towards you, start to peel the ginger off, and you'll see that the skin comes off very quick and easy. Moving on to the dressing, which I know you're going to love. So with your peeled ginger, you're just gonna start to grate it. You're only gonna use about 1 teaspoon of it for the salad dressing. So adding that into your cup or bowl. Next, take your lemon. If it's a bit harder, you can roll it out to make it so it's more juicy. And you're gonna juice 1/2 of it to a whole one. And this is up to you how tangy you like it. Lemon is very high in vitamin C, and it helps to reduce inflammation in the body. Now you're gonna take turmeric, about 1/2 a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of it, and black pepper. So the reason that we do black pepper is that it actually activates the properties in turmeric that are good for your body, so anti-inflammatory, healing. I'm also adding a little bit of garlic powder. This is optional, about 1/8 of a teaspoon to 1 whole teaspoon. If you don't like it, you can definitely omit. Now we're gonna add our balsamic vinegar, and for this you can do 1 teaspoon to half a tablespoon. It really just depends on the flavors that you like, so I recommend you trying everything and then add things as necessary. We're gonna add apple cider vinegar. This is also incredibly anti-inflammatory and really helps with digestion in the body. So you're gonna do 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and then olive oil to make it nice and creamy. I'm doing 1 tablespoon here. The last ingredient is tahini that we're gonna be using, and use about 1 tablespoon. I like to eyeball everything. The very last ingredient, which I forgot to mention, is that we're gonna be doing cayenne pepper or chili powder. And this is really gonna be to your taste. I personally like things very spicy. Cayenne is incredibly good for your digestion. So mix it all up, and then once you're done, you're going to dress your salad with. I hope that you enjoyed learning how to create one of the recipes from the 5-day real food detox. You can follow this recipe anytime though for better health, more vibrant skin, more energy. And I hope that you enjoyed this. See you again next week.